So hello everyone, thank you so much for joining and you're very welcome to today's Spotlight series. Today's Spotlight is on a Master of Science in Industrial Networks and Cybersecurity. My name is Hannah and I'm joined today by Stephen Scully. Hi Stephen, how are you?
Hi Hannah, how are you? I'm doing
Very
well.
well, very well, thank you. Thanks so much for joining us. So to kick off today's Spotlight series, I'm going to ask my first question, which is, what is Masters of Industrial Networks and Cybersecurity, Stephen?
I suppose the Masters in Industrial Networks and Cybersecurity is a very specialized program. It's designed to bridge the gap between operational technology and business by equipping its students with the essential skills to develop and protect industrial networks.
Great, thanks so much, Steve. And I suppose what does it entail? Is there any links to industry? Is it any way, I suppose, IT cybersecurity related?
Actually, it doesn't really focus on the IT side of stuff at all. It's primarily focused on the application of cybersecurity within operational technology environment. Um, there's two options available actually, the postgrad diploma and the master's degree. Regardless of which option you take, the course aims to bring the students from the very fundamentals of control and automation, cyber focused programming, industrial networks, and cybersecurity to quite an advanced level by the end of semester two. There's also an industry based group project which gives the students a hands on real world experience. And for those taking the master's option, it concludes with an individual dissertation and with through consultation with the students themselves. And we aim to tailor it as best we can to the specific areas of interest of the student.
Great, thanks, Steve. And I suppose who is the program most suited to? Who would you recommend this program to?
There's two groups that come to mind. The first are industry professionals who are looking to upskill or move into the cybersecurity area, and the second would be students with an undergraduate level 8 degree in areas such as engineering, computer science, or networking.
Thanks, Steve. And I suppose what are the career outcomes of this master's or postgraduate degree? Where do your students go to work afterwards?
So we've had several groups of students so far, and the feedback from industry is quite positive. And an example of students have ended up working with the Chief Information Security Officers, known as CISOs, and IT managers, but they would be focusing on the industrial network cybersecurity side of things.
Great. Thanks so much, Steve. And thank you so much to everyone for joining us. Hopefully you found that informative. So if you have any questions whatsoever, please do email hannah.murphy@setu.ie and I would be delighted to answer any of your questions on industrial networks and cybersecurity. Thanks so much, everyone. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye.
So hello everyone, thank you so much for joining and you're very welcome to today's Spotlight series. Today's Spotlight is on a Master of Science in Industrial Networks and Cybersecurity. My name is Hannah and I'm joined today by Stephen Scully. Hi Stephen, how are you?
Hi, Hannah. How are you? I'm doing
Very
well.
well. Very well, thank you. Thanks so much for joining us. So to kick off today's Spotlight series, I'm going to ask